tumaje ketajen itakat kainen ko boss Kembo
kainen nyongo Triza Cheroro tigetesetai ke chairman Barnaba Korir machobo watu lentin cash deposit machine ngune bingu noton ba Stanbic Bank imachore noton ni koko itar kasi kemeche deposit rabinik guk en oret noton ne moimin iwe agoi bank ne moibe bangani line itibeti kasirta achicha itindoi nguni kinde kilenen cash deposit machine ne imuche iboisien eng yon neribin kabisa en finances chekuke rabinik guk management ba rabinik ako safe ne sire noton kora ko mebeti kasarta iwendi agoi bank receipt inyoru tugul eng yoton yon iye hesabu inai ile kochutke hesabu chuto tugul koibun bengu noton bo Stanbic Bank sirngoliot unlock kwa 22208 unlock kwa 22208 kokoni walutik tugul chebo SME solution bengu noton bo Stanbic Bank unlocking new horizons
kakimwa kele Fly Emirates ko London emotinwek chebo sang bejo bendi limbo emetab China wacha bendi limbo Beijing olimbo Shanghai olimbo Guangzhou taunit age tugul mito limbo chamgelen Chinese mainland na majiboisherane Fly Emirates ngete Nairobi kwenda Dubai kwendi limbo China ako kamwa kele me boy ko ningori ne bandege ni jamge moy gelen tandoi na gelen world class hospitality na tagde ge moy raning alega batet kele roi kya ko maje yigito ne comfortable ne gitu bito ne mai choka na to pon rane Fly Emirates singi temi gomni tendo channel se 6500 tebo entertainment ngoji mongoro ini nyongo i somanya ni wendi somanya ngolimba emetap China ge maji boy Fly Emirates am gelen the gateway to the Chinese mainland gateway in the Chinese mainland ko ibon Fly Emirates amu tulian himyori temi menya waswas ndap ko tenda wifi ibaru kule chine kema jai tu yad ngong chine kema chai ngalal kema jai lia imi gomnya mutenda wifi ima chai weji YouTube kita kuru ni maji kering nyo imi chai gomnya imi chai ak Fly Emirates jam geden Fly Emirates Fly better Fly Emirates Fly better.
Alright, so bit kita stai gotin ka Paul Bitok kalu celebrating athletics Kenya leadership ak performance na goyai erwoike. Congratulations once again not to go Deputy President Kenya Volleyball Federation Paul Bitok Mr. Kirich not to go principal lebo lemok kale gaton chairman Korir agile gongwe ing paisiet noton kale very articulate to the Kenyan athlete. Congratulations team Kenya. Chairman kagetar betushe ko ngityo ko irwoikyo tagetoche adatok senyo wato mage itne ole nyolu ko magat ingen ile emetab Botswana kemboy ko konyor gold agenge lakini kokikochi holiday betut noton nebo Jumatatu so eche ko konyor gold 7 lakini kokitai kityo lakini kile gongwe ing noto ko baten kagetar world championship in Tokyo ne rube chairman
program sa tumingu no ko aboti ale yewek the president of Emoni ko nyugo to jerwai amu kiga promisen kingi bone je menderet kole orwo oba anyowege nyata jak ko aboti ale noto ko kumi mbango nebo serikali meruge ko program siteke ndai nguno kakichopke to bo kenyini nyone makoketarin the world championship it was very successful wako boru kora kita age nebo maana yani ngipangan nginyoru panganutik chekararanen akiimen in tukimi achieving utapata. So we have now world cross country championship nimite in Florida kenyini nyone tarik taman araetab agenge 2026 koketa already programs choto kokea in competitions teseta nguno this weekend komi regional competitions all over the country the next select nguno chebo national championship chetu mitei en Eldoret ngarawani nyone ko yoto ke kone timit netun ko wakilisha emetab Kenya in Florida and world cross country championship nata ke vindi kora ke defendani the title ni ke win in last year so among wale kijobotin ngago very tight the program ko mumanyoru way enough time there is tene ke timu wala nguna go mungidogo and then yegitao araeta tamane utoege the series next year ke dindai in January February meet Siri kwa classic nota kutari tamana ngwan araeta baing yei pata nota ko meet nguno ata petiga ege cross country series and then also the track and field gitao meet walindo next year kora araeta somo ko be araeta somo yep ko pata of course ko meet kino classic netu meet ya ta tari tamana ngwan araeta mood ko
so fully packed
and then after that next year World Under 20 they meet Eugene in the US kunyo neno tara da seat nginyini yone but before that ko mi Commonwealth Games netun mi the United Kingdom ko araetab tisap noto. And then beyond that now komi from National Olympic Committee now chuko noisoni komi Youth Olympics chetunge Senegal Dakar araetab taman kenyini nyone Youth Olympics. So immediately after under 20 came Youth Olympics, but that one now komi under National Olympic Committee, the same like Commonwealth Games. So the year is going to be packed, and I'm sure the program we go already. The calendar of events, activities, including road races, marathon, cross country, which so kimi go me a mwara lend other federations who le chopto mbango wege the sport in this country kumi bara kida namaja tasura mojbi gabe mono kuindongiro sports in as a business venture. We are talking about the medals, but we are not inputting the business factor. Sports as an industry. No every activity could generate some income, could benefit the players, the runners, and anybody who is involved in that. So when we have rugby, then there's always a generation of income. We have football like Jan the other day, Ogero Lugu. You know, in Dagi organization of years, who put these fragas, then it's an industry that generated millions of shillings to the economy of this country. I will benefit the players. When we have athletics who Nairobi City Marathon, we have the Standard Chartered Marathon, we have Kipkeno Classic, we have Siriko, we have Jeff Saita. If you calculate the amount of money, because I was talking even to the CS and the PS, and then we were calculating the amount of money the sports industry is almost 100 billion. All the entire sports in the country, including now the preparation, infrastructure, and everything. So when you talk like that, get factored in. Again, plan. Come on, any difference like in the US, every weekend they create something. Then you pay. With the mentality, the attitude as Kenyans that you want things for free. There is no way in the building the money giving a leg for free. Free things will never help us to develop in any way. In fact, it is retrogressive in the so goes out 100. You remember when we had in Classic.
Yes.
In support in the Ruaik. So what we did, we raised about 100 million. I mean 1 million. 1 million shillings. That 1 million shillings we benefited about 3 camps. Over 50 athletes in that camp. And Ruaik. In the Mi Paringo, the Minande. Western, so you can imagine now if you collect some fee from the public, it's like fundraising. Another support in the needy people. I mean that's how you can develop a sport.
Legewe ingalale jubo sang missing. The great website we launched 2 weeks ago. Englimba website une matayarisho.
Website go kumibara ni bukungu. This time we are still debating amugo in Mheshimiwa Faruk. Kulen mejige tiam kikoji melek kwokik ruwaikyo chinyalu natin. Choko mwa kule tos ndagi kwa jini chukile kuune. You know, you wanted to know. Because he can fundraise. He has done an amazing job. Coordinating out to the friends so that they can now give us that money to give to the athletes. And it's amazing. So far now, you can imagine now, kele kigochin number again, 1 million shilling gross country. It has never happened before. It was 750, like in the 100 million. 1 million. So I don't know why I talk about 100 million.
Amen.
Maybe you'll get it. So you can see, if we have leadership, what do we do? So now is increasing to 20 schools, 20 million.
Yes,
for the
per school.
20 million shillings for fees for different schools. 100 students per school. Can you imagine? And you can see now the changes that comes up. Kungi ako nguno ku in school in Daniel nguno Jeff Saita. Ku kagetech offices, kagetech lab ku boro katech Safaricom. Because of the support they are doing. Yani kagi kora medical clinic to the community. Now the 30 year now, kiri for ni nyuko na bigya given last year. Have they gone to hospital if they had an issue, underlying problems? Konyuru ne benefits kora the community. Mila o kem engage nguno je kindergarten. Now they are learning how the sport is. Konyuru wala tokens jebo kitabu shek, jebo galamo, jebo everything. Jebo ko benefit in that community. Awareness. Ko promise ngora safaru gole. If during Jeff Saita ko bitla ko nambageng nambang 2 girls 2 boys Kobendi US. He is going to provide everything, the tickets and accommodation. If Koro mailing up or going to visit, can you see that impact?
Yes.
That idea can you allow the community to participate in an international event. So kage elevate the thinking. You see the mindset never people as more changing. How you do things kumi a better way ni muji kungona the community will go and ge orani ge saptosi it will benefit. So since the onset of Jeff Saita, if you see the roads that have been built, you can't even believe. The place where the water is, the dam which is there has been built. Electricity is there. Now, the place is opening up.
Yes.
Because of the event called Jeff Saita. Now we are going to invite. I met the president of Ethiopian Federation. We have agreed because they didn't do very well. How do we enhance Labaten in Siriko by their participation?
Okay.
How do we enhance Jeff Saita so that they can come? So we agreed to meet so that they can send a large number of their athletes from Ethiopia and from Tanzania. I'm going to meet with Tanzania now because of one medal. They are reaching out to the president of AK for support. Build in Tanzania. The same thing with Uganda. So you see that industry now, if we build ourselves in Ethiopia, Uganda, Tanzania, Kenya, and Rwanda, I can tell you that the sports industry in this country, especially athletes, will grow. So that magitipto singon kityo kubiketuin jebo Kenya agiboti elgemege Europe kerwa ibuje pundo. Alia magiri tenje pundo kyo. Kalia mabo sponsors nyo supporting activities chimite because now they are advertising. Manager advertising alia mo ibojir wing. Ako pick up Kenya kumejo for sportsmen and women. Why don't we do that? That way we build an industry so that this culture should go. We are the ones now to invite them. What is it that is so difficult as Africans? Magi build in our own source space. As we get in as we be alive. I mean, ngupu classic. Why doesn't it be an example? They move go here below. Kipkeno class go on the big tool for Munyulin, Agenyo go Ibeje Pundongolora. If you Ibejo, that is how you integrate sports activity. Another name when you go Sergale, Amuko supporting those events that has elevated Kenya to the level like Minguno.
Okay, it is Taguna Chairman Barnaba Kori, me take it to Ringalale, Labatosha meeting a Matune Kavasang, Chairman, I go to checking a lego Kaimwa, Ile, an industry and Ginde when you quantify Robin Kogemai, Robin Kidang Siri exportable ko more than 100 billion Kenya shillings ko not to Robin Kidang Kabisa Yamuke Mwage it's an industry. I'm getting you protect with your life. Nyaruge Baishi Sabe Nyagatect as a Gary like the style. Lagini meet again on a good kitchen Kabisa and game Wagabatet and game up Kenya. Meet the Nangale, Jamgulin Donda Sugu and Labatet and game up Kenya not on a leg up doping. Ne Anganaro Legiwala Togolgate Benen Megosani Swalin again Une Kiliochanamu. China kay kimungare ne chairman ko mungare ni gumni kummatigi ko sige namatagi kan ngila kanam kigelen ko ga got karina gyalo gi gale ko rangale ga bin so tamatay gitaw utani roi kyo kya chang kyo gumni matagi laratos pa ishe ko ra sumatang gigili gita maramo gigili tang marambili gi laro na ine chuka bay metap Kenya uli ko shike sa bangale ga doping so manganale une status no boligi mingu na gi biga metap Kenya tos kimige body doping tos are we making strides engalega body tap kirije ga jabal Labatet and une status no doping chairman King Lolirani.
The issue of Bangalore doping we got to be in Kenya for a while. Since 2016 when you Rashida imeje ke banan Kenya mata participate that problem has been there lakini get taken steps the government at least Kenya also AIU to set up systems that we control getting nguno in anti-doping agency of Kenya ADAG the northern established by parliament to fight against doping and in the process we won about 5 million which has been being used since then fight that and of course within that framework we meet the steering committee they ensure how the resources will be used to manage this finances about doing and then planning also but you know as a result going in the work in effectively the program so sometimes you see the rise in doping cases it shows you now the methods are working the system been put in place working lakini there is another problem that we faced also which now is going against us the issue of disbursement of funds adequately so sometimes kupone sometimes kuchelewane wow creating a problem with WADA lazima ku systematic so that any gaps in between the testing process lazima gelban testing mugibe ko papitanin magdanya lap ni Kenya testing so that is where the problem was and now they raised that matter ADA which is the one responsible for managing doping in the country might not be compliant and that's what we have been fighting now the CS and the president of Atlas Kenya and the teams they are now making sure that they manage it so that it does not escalate go out of hand and I'm sure that they are going to do that. That's been very tough. The last 2 days we had somebody also from World Athletics AIU, the head of AIU CEO was also here to guide on how we can come out of that and I'm confident and sure that we will overcome that problem but otherwise ngileni giria kumelen to where we have nguno che kitesteni by AIU ko get our way you told you way you got paid and everything you get tested the most tested athletes in the world so they don't have a problem with the top tier kumatanya problem World Athletics chumingo the problem because them they are managing all those athletes and they know that they have been tested they have subjected to intense testing more than any other athlete ever in Kenya so when you see our athletes doing well they are doing well because they are running clean because otherwise they have been tested not once not twice but several times now the problem the thousands of athletes the level are we getting more money than the others because there are many and they are running road races they are running marathons and then they are saying now you see these people they go out there and they win money which is organized by them in Europe in Asia everywhere so they go run win the money the complaint comes and say okay now if these guys come from Kenya the others go to Kenya may be so they lose so they feel bad and the money go that's why they are fighting back and they keep fighting back pick your they don't have to use anything they are talented naturally talented they don't have to use those things they can use the shoe the new shoe is good
yes you
don't need those things you can use the shoes
okay asake this time just go bit kia take kaskele te butu ko nyango tinde ite butaka tukul eng chairman Barnaba Korir ngolep studio ko siya ko inyo conference ke ate engo matia ago dege shekene naginyo bigito laba mut chege labi ko laba mut lo chege ko te butek gitinde ite butanan go kerengu eng chairman engoleba studio basko si inyo conference ngomatia asokobiti nyor boran not ne tepte butugo eng Barnaba Korir eng rango tinyege angalega Tokyo nango ngarega buriet kwa jumla labatet basko si tep engomatia batek jo I&M Foundation go what ngalega education and skill development go baishina tano kitendoi pengine ba I&M gotendo go bebertane gure I&M Foundation not kwa baishet yango gure bejo CSR tabane ba ngalega banking tabane ba go gonen loan tabane ba go ndurunda bishek kwa baishina tano ba go gare ngalega education and skill development go baishina tano neo mising ne I&M Bank nguni koriben jamgelen empowering teachers ngalekab foundation kora kiko kora kole karib wa Kenya jemengejen ngalekab scholarships kotindoi jengen ngalekab digital skills koboishe noton jamgelen building digital skills koboto ngalekab scholarship ak ngalekab empowerment nebo ngalekab konetik koboishe ne I&M foundation so yaga tukuni mia ile yes igere benki nebo I&M ay boishonik kibo banking lakini boishet kora taban nebo notok kiko taban 2% nebo rabinik yotok kemangu en kila kenyit faida nebo I&M bank en kila kenyit ko taban debendi en ngalekab CSR kora kole mi to komnye en ngalek cheterter mising ngalekab environmental conservation ngalekab education and skill development ak alak chechang nai boishonik cheterter chebo I&M foundation learning growing thriving.
All right, Smarter Bundle Weekly noton ibon Airtel Kenya nagalenji boiboenjin nguni data 7GB nekiyogun 1GB kila betut 100 minutes ibir simoit ko networks alage free Airtel away Airtel minute cheme kitilene kiaka tugul atianyon 500 SMS and 300 shillings kityo mot komit ne Airtel Money na ile Airtel Money utoretini muche rabin icher rabin ongete bank ne unget away Airtel Money wallet agi testa at transactions ugeroisa kabisa ichile to star 544 hash not star 544 hash ana ni chile star 334 hash not star 334 hash sige bendi koma sana to no imo legend conference tebutiet akenge in big negit gele big negit mot michine kate benyu ako igire logo yogabe meta chairman Paralympic team nego mai cheget embeta ba mot ko lowon mami gergeindo ni cheget agruai galak mun talking e cheget ne le bendi India in world championship namnyane Ruben kaletos mi okweget Paralympic
Paralympic is a different federation altogether. So the only time the jam get it is you can see when you go for the Olympics, get out the Olympics crop. Then immediately after that came a Paralympics. So you know they have their own different leadership structure, which was said. But in NOC, National Olympic Committee, we also work very closely. And whenever we look in possibility, we support Paralympics. Although they are in our programs when we are doing elections, they are there as observers, but they cannot vote because they are not really part of us. But what he's saying is, major pushing through the government. That is where they can get the full support. From Atlas Kenya. We spend days, weeks following what we need to get from there. And it's not easy that we get it. When you see us getting support from the government, if I tell you the number of hours I spend in those offices, you would think that I'm also an employee. Why? Because you move from one office to other, convincing them. You have to prove to them that yes, benefit the country. You have to show that one, and I'm sure that Paralympics will get the best treatment. What they need now to make sure that they work very closely in Axergale, and I can assure you that they will get also the same treatment like anybody else.
All right.
Okay. Pila conference mo dig job wa gongi nyoro baro indo kai ga ngot ko rane magmi got 1 minute maji kos mat ko sir 1 minute ndagi nyoro 30 seconds chi ko yamin asogobit ke gas tebu chengong en chairman Barnaba Korir netinya ga ngale ga radio shek anangola batet pas itep agi dok kabesa de ga yat mat ko got 1 minute ndagi nyoro 30 seconds ko yami itep chi tebu chengong enyo
Peter Sawe
Englesos Peter Sawe
Como que sapos, o que tu llaman, o que tu ania. Ahora to que andai la cuenta mi te all for running shoe for Africa, de la pati 10,000 meters y mi te site. Hago party que pas scholarship. O gambe ya te ve llaman ale, those which country they shoot it ko those con la guani yo ne. Mi te mutai ko la pati un baringo, pe tamutai. Kongo.
Sawe engola ba lesos
ya gigeni chitage mi china gatep kulo oboisien orne yono kwe teamit misungo nebunu training academies asugobit kochute championship nebo aeng atimagu yoswale ne process nebo kenyor AK letter kiguren inenet komite Olimbatin rate kichwenindet eng Olimbatin rate so ngalegab training academies kinyorunen ano ko alageng tebutik chemiten yo criteria ne nekeboisie tos walo choton ala tugul conference ko yatat tebutiet agetun ana compliment and chairman
Training academies ko part of the kumi regions chibunu ngemwangu na academy mi ku transcend mi ku Eldoret na kumi Nandi, so they compete also openly in the competition jibo regions and go district, I mean we call it the counties, then they are open to everyone munyo gorwayata akomangune. The academies ko I don't think mapoto schools, because schools could do their own programs, primary could do nenywa, secondary could do nenywa net, and we work very closely with them. That's how we identify those kids now from primary. I go to in the secondary schools, again working together as a team from at least Kenya. But you know, if you have an invitation letter, a university and Angubunu arrest, who in to at least Kenya, Akparwanata, Nega Assessan, give more, I mean, the documents are required for the embassy, and then you can provide that. The letters are free, you don't have to pay. You come to at least Kenya. Ni nyuru ibar wengut ko mi ni issue ne meje ko ngati in kegerune anan go mi documents me din dai ke advise ani the person to provide those documents, and you'll get all the assistance necessary from at least Kenya. Mat ko iwe ji wole leon at least Kenya free paro no gi go no ko magil wande simoni ko ngil wan simoni ko ngun the problem. Yes,
okay,
you don't pay.
Yes.
Yes. Mwage ba so nyiti na ba Peter Sawe.
Iwalo na ba Peter Sawe.
Yes, na ba Peter Sawe ko the school or the school sigi prepare ko jiba US. Amu jada je mu ko full scholarship and ko partial scholarship. Ko ngab ko mita je gure ta onol competition jam ko mi Eldoret tinyo ko je kwe je qualify je bendi university. I would not grade for school bara, then they can qualify if they do well. Ko mi gora nguna teres na mo wado endi this weekend for cross country. Baringo. Kongo mangune la kwana ta to nguno ko qualify ko kunyo top 6 amu cross country, then kimu tu kunyo regions. Then after regions kunyo national. Ago nationals kia Eldoret. Kongo jabjo la kwana ta ko mangune ga million migene, you know, it's just a matter of to show talented. Kongo kanam top 6 automatically kundo team in the national. Kongo national nguno ga ruwa national ago top 6 ora ke kwe je individual ni represent the country. It's open mami gene gele in Kimutichi and Andan and Gikia or Manjaro North. Chugoge tool is open for the public to see exactly how it is done. So mami ngavi as a story je mo bi go ka meta shanyo ginde ma not is we to want the numbers position ago je open public au ge tool la wata la kwenye.
Okay, so get the tag be jamia tagenyo ro bana ndagi tigini badega shikina get mutiaje mita tai o tep tebute wa ni bwati le bengi na tene ba INDM bango tenda ga be tene ba 2% of beneke mango 2% bono faida tuguli bono bengi na ba INDM ko bendengi ne gure INDM Foundation ne tare tin goda wala pa isho ne kechang INDM Foundation kal moli ngale ga climate change gele climate change is real kal mi ngale ga kemeu ngale ga maranet ngale ga deforestation na to mene so ma ko ngale ga environmental conservation ko le ga rip ito na ga image kisagiro gele mi go nye ko ba ishe na ga le bas ma je ga ko gi INDM Foundation ko na tin ga mo na ne ko lingi ko pa isho ne kechang ngale ga pa ko gol ge ti ngale ga water conservation ngale ga kurip ngale ga forest restoration ba ecosystem ko isho ne kidang joy engyo go ba ishe no tane kita mando bishek INDM kubun agne gure INDM Foundation asogoro le gon wallet en olimite chega tugule mbetu natene barani to ko baisheno ngale gale leadership ngale gap conservation kamo le pa ngene nywa akbenge secretary ko ngale gap kurip ito ne gabe meta environmental conservation baishet natene INDM Foundation learning growing thriving.
All right. Ara Matelo ingili machereber Matelo
Ongoi Teresa ongoi Boas ongoi Dondo no Barnabas Queen ngamwa gorogo le pongesi uo iwe ga long time mo gnyoru glory no no ko nyoru ko ibwen en Japan ko ga mo je join araiseni sunemi une mam ngwa ge mo amu ga mande boy child in teaching profession ko endi ngun mo ginga ngel ngo lia sos en medical nurses ne ko endi ngun menami tol ai ara nyuni toso ogera ka kwe ko awori gele sos ne jam ko bunu bi ko mai ko me ne boy child asima ko no tamu glory no go bi tinyogo no ni kal je apart from wanyu you know ko no mo ale tos ko e gon sana ka kwe ko tagilyo ju varna basin boy child sugo to ko skwe gi nyamu gi dominant sa tinye ne no wai ko mun ko bajun ba as
Konoto kityo.
Matelong.
Ngalabo chereber.
Joshua Kuto in Baringo. So yeah,
Joshua Kuto chita Baringo.
Bas. Kongoi boss actress. Nenyu naku kitinye ngolyo kitinye kelenchi nekimangta kabisa nekuren terkat. Aya, kingumangta terkat kukolin ne tos tobenwech terkat alage eng Baringo amwa kiran ale uni kile ku terkat agenge negei akuwechige noe aku ngoni tos cher bichu choche eng Baringo asikomuch kenyoru vijana cherwai sport aku kitinye talented youth cherwai aku tangurenyo ne kapso kitinye la kapsa chimuch urwai lakini kipetchinit chere kabarnet wapi aunto kam kumelen kinamaka tukuchwechu so mwawech no le to ya ne bia Baringo sige mangun kelegun wana sports kikuyutu ole kongoi
no.
Joshua Kuto.
Joshua Kuto.
Mwite iwalo chota.
Yes, mwite njata.
Namaja moji in Matelong kunu jeraber. Kuin angana le concern man no jitul amata je kora ki boti kile ko ne ko ak so ngunyin ngalega bla tet no the boys ngi statistically ngi rongu no legi suptai ko the chang men jirwai kusira with the women ngi rongu no the numbers wo men ngiringen jirwai ko jo men ko chang so kun ga mo before amu ga ga trace ne ko ga mo le the problem ne miten about the men ko the focus nge banguno ku labate there are so many of them ko competition je chwa ko bendi mainly the road races so ko focus on something they give the some resources so they run more on the road ag na marathons and then eventually marathon go le min je pondo yere nguna most of them even some of the best we go move to marathon but nguna go geria ta je go last market ngun ske ta ga bana plan to focus on mainly especially to engage in go concentrate ngalega kiwanja across country kusir barabara we have talked to some of them we have nguna go Panuel kijana ya ko 18 years wala wat ko mi kindai Edmund Serem kindai the brother Amos mi terreno no gawine in bronze and many others ko lazima nguna ge ngetin ge kaidane ke ngolol jigora ngolol jigora ko je se jwagete at the leader se jwagora why don't you be patient so that you can achieve that
yes
ngigero nguna go the medals millions ni a big difference ngiro the medals angwan medal mindile se angwan silver bronze and not bronze and gold ko bunu logata aying so you see now the difference again it is just from a few but not the majority.
Yes.
Statistically. So ko ngiro no the numbers on both sides ko the performance ko to mitai men in terms of road races even on the track ko sira with women because of the statistical numbers statistical numbers.
Okay.
But you see now the concentration and the focus coming on men because now they are competing too many and the ladies are focusing so that one can be addressed it is a problem Matelong awalas magiro gele ne ko ngalal agito this first meeting in the on the 17 ngalal jata ko nebo Baringo Joshua Kuto ko tergat go tari in tam na National Olympic Committee I was with him as a member now ko kwa nyobara kidogo I'm the first deputy president of National Olympic Committee kambi je yugita ng Baringo gendai somo nguno ago apote wala ngotingen aledi negure Elizabeth Keitanye wena ne ndoji ning Baringo so we have comes agendai roi kikora nenje bunu Baringo one of them ko in kijana ya nito Ishmael Kipkuru in the US ago number one so Baringo is coming up the only thing now we focus on again Europe ko rajimu so botelida skora nami moja ko takwe kwa Matelong ungalo jigando ko je ko cham ko supportin magiging to at least Kenya cannot alone kerges na imeji chill something meji lemon ne rege lazima jilae so ko gando ikibunu Baringo ko lazima ko pwa ako supportin ni roi ke ko mien ko Matthew Berir Chona Berir they were running so well before encourage them to work so that they can support lakini makinda siasa amu kyanyo Ravin many times we give me politics yiri le they are actually damaging the sport itself. So the leader should be the one, the guiding light in the ball. The ball, you know, supporting the what Jonah, you know, about Barnabas Kitty Lead, who is doing a very good job. There are so many of them coming from there now. So each year, and that's not what I was supporting. I get over with you at least Kenya, because at least Kenya will not do it alone. Last month, the communities, including Matelong, who again, I was supporting their community, and they at least they're coming up.
Kema chairman ila jake gere choki kanyi goal gele ngana kanyor goal magi gele process le beta go ne support ngalega mental health ngalega family shababichu le teptoy le tebe ola mazoezi so mana le what is the role of community a check kogi media akwe go ek ne role ne bara ya ni miun ko ra go le ga support en bichu morally asobit kwa go nyes magi kan gitu goal again aga murse kan gine apo
ak tuguk che gisere gora in social media nan gosir chito tugun anganale nogo konyor koita missing ko Eliud Kipchoge ako nyalu tungu ba kesom nyaetab kat pikap kolenjin amun ngalalet ko kikoyai komie kikonde parak lakini biik chechang ikose kole kalia moretaya sikomwoe chito kit neu non en computer ikoste ano yes
netai amecha amwochi kongoi en Kass Media mabwoti ale the media house nekikwai konet biikab kutit kosir nitoni kosir the Kass Media. They have done a very good job. The role of the media go educate to educate our people. Amu igere nguna ngongalal ne kotara Matelong de kwebe itu kumwani. The only thing na maja mwaji bijata ko kashu kumwaji kinet. When it comes to athletes kumwagele po an institution. First and foremost kui labatinde ibaga mngo ibunwano. You have to belong to our family. You have to belong to a village. You have to belong to a community. And by the time ngolale ke ignarovili kukago bano biki bunu chemingo nyunda chemia ke labatinda nato ngoe ndiwe maye labatinda kumina robe siago kwa village kondo ikibo the village kumino anangite vito sintavang chwage gerele megere ngoe maye. That is the weakness now we have called engineer nagele the community lazima go together agingololchi because at the end of the day whether is a gold medalist anango silver medalist anango not metal at all kuna ngora ako lazima gijuge na kineta mu melen ngwina na metal na nilenga ingamitu ako ndewe zuguli nyuru BID kote yepchini gora big use na jejen kumongora mu mengen agila magtare nai magtare ngamna. So those are the things that we have to do. Kemiji development agemeji support and project. First of all lazima gele ownership pongo. So mogi wiru lagwe nguna sa ile ipunji mol moyo. The child does not belong to the teacher. It belongs to you first and foremost, the family. Then you go to the step, as I said before, you go to the village and all the way to national. So those are things yalas magiro again agile ne negeo as a mentorship. Ko amu magitinda ida tinge negile tinge lago joje kondo problems. Pressure, their peer pressure. Kongo win medal. Kanyor jipondo ngut kumani ke kaidan kunyor peer pressure meje iwatane inside ne para meje mobile ne you that kind of thing. And then now the conversation you meet social media aku bikin ngalalos ubike sayatin chechubishi ubike sayatin amu singibi moi jube no joge ka ko una cosa ne kungile meje retayan anan kete goi ko to testai as ngege ko to ke some to lia ko testai amu piga put it kumengen the follow in dog joge. You might not respect him here. Like in there is everything. Ngeba yuri nguna ko nota ne muy ko tungap kings. Mulango ne bagap king anywhere. Moita ko ne way money. I might keep jogging up. That is why the first time we go in Jigibo in this environmental issues you mean Great Britain. Again by the former president. Kobatu why? You know. They went together to that environmental program. The same thing now, Our Excellency, the President now, the value never and he knows, and that's why expedite the infrastructure, stadiums and everything. Why? Because he understands the importance of sports in this country. The problem is implementation. Who is supposed to implement these structures? The president cannot be the one who is running the show. So those kick in the head of state you go train in the program. Why don't you do the right thing? So it is us to do the right thing and stop the issue nekichupe rwoik anan kelen malot komie kalia why do we do that those chupe lagok ako ndakai koyai tichupe si unachunga hao kalia makiker kele kiripto yono rwoik yok irrespective of the outcome so that now we build a generation that is responsible and protective of their own when they grow. We have to leave a legacy for others to grow on. But if we don't do that, we think that we are doing the right thing. At the end of the day, we are destroying the future of our own people.
Kongoi chama maje ke magon kita ke tugele mi ago una kage kasaje ke tezara kage wage je educated korang ko tekanan kwake kongoi miseng angana le barainda ni tindai ko mabarainda ne ba chiage tugol yake nyor barainda inyo ko the first national ke vice president ko ngajale ne ma raise so yage mi ke wir sei ikate pita ko le to so chole ngoni to nyonage ne bonoli ne baga na nyogo nyoru aka majito nyago na nagere ka serinya ko le gongoi Barnabas Korir kale ginyor barainda ne marais ke nyor Nairobi majito ko le nyone engin ila nyagari tingel ret anako bomet
au magwoni ngajarana
agi nyiwe kitoke ko ni la majana baye ke Nairobi gogorom gongoi misen kale chine ke gure ke kalia boit kale leje congratulations the only jitap kotit negi bar ngajaret ne ba AK engolem Nairobi kalle congratulations na to kalia boy to kimengeje that we don't celebrate ko give up kalenjin kama jogi buatun inaigo na to ngemiseng madige magon kita tugele mi angana le mewendi go loit ya mi angana le program na kaimwa ko it's a tight program never the remaining part of this year ang miseng next year 2026 ko nege maile eng sports ko it's a busy year eng ko master nebo radio show so une kitu kiniata nebo nguni yes ngolet balet eng big jagasen eng nguni chairman
yes we ga mwa le ngoi missing of information jo wajini bikyo ko na biga putit ko lazima gete bitul ke bagenge we ogile ne nyoy met ngo bunjeje age ngone ne garan ge agishangele ka benefit ne especially ngale ka sports ko ge build an infrastructure ge support the president ko build all those infrastructures age support roi ke because that's an industry nte ko effective ago noto ni nege ne mu ko te kweji amu resources jeburu wei kujota jogo megan ke to ligi minguna
kongo missing Chairman Barnabas Korir.
Yes, Yego. Until we diversify the events, we take to major events, we will continue ki kalegi major transition missing emurenik kalegi tiege missing at least chegi bachachang kasarta noto nebo retire ko mfano noto nebo Ezekiel Kemboi kale nyalo ke gergele kage mejan kage keger ki mtu alak kobwa ngune ko missing Julius Yego angana le ko nyor ko gotene en torta eta mngode teni kwa mwisho lakini asante sana.
Ko missing nyake testai kakichak chairman ko bari betuyo se testai pangete nguni eng ole studio kotoma kitongyo ke mande majabwa tunen INDEM Foundation go botin ka magele apart from baishone keti nyege angalega banking kwa ngalega economic empowerment ko go limit ko nyomi ngalega MSMEs wafanya biashara je engage in small businesses ko talk INDEM Foundation ko go le konam line enyo ngalega skill training ngalega pagine gure financial literacy ko network nyo INDEM Foundation empowerment of entrepreneurs pija mi atul ko connecting nege engalega sustainable businesses on your boishonik support number families agala kijana to go no impact go no wallet not no missing and community committee boishet no INDEM Foundation learning growing thriving look be meeting go indo jaytun ko ngete student broadcast FM International kanene ko boss kemboy
actress Chirorot